In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Word document into a PDF, or make a PDF, as you might want to say. Reason why you might want to do this, in this example, I'll be using a CV or a resume, as you may call it. The advantage is that if you send off a PDF, when the recruiter or the company opens it, it's going to look like it should do. If they open up a Word document, sometimes, not always, but sometimes it goes a little bit out of place. It doesn't always line up, so this part here might move down a bit or might go slightly off the edge. I've seen this when I've been in job interviews and I've seen my CV printed out and thought, whoa, that's not the CV I sent through. PDF generally gets rid of that problems. Or you might be at school or college and your teacher might say you need to send this through as a PDF. Anyway, I'll show you how to do it. So in Word, I have a document here. This is my CV. You can see it's very detailed. Anyway, go to File, and you've got two options here. There's two ways of doing this. I'm going to show you both ways. So File, Save As, choose where you want to save it. So I'll pick this folder, and then where you've got Save As type, change it to PDF. You can change the name if you want, or just leave it as it is, and press Save. Now I've got mine set up so that the PDF automatically launches, so it goes straight into a web browser, and there is my PDF created. Now I said there was two ways of doing this. Let's close that down. The other way to do it is even easier. File, Export, Create PDF. Again, pick where you want to save it. It's already gone to the correct folder for me, but I'll navigate to the folder. I'll go give it a slightly different name. Press Publish, and there you go. You can see it's been done again. So that is how easy it is to create the PDF. I'll just show you both of those sat in the folder. So there is the folder. So there's my original Word document, and there's the first PDF I created, and there's a second PDF that I created. So you can do that in Word, and it's really easy. Lots of people don't realise how to do it, but that is how you do it. You can now show your colleagues or your classmates or your family or friends how to convert a Word document into a PDF. Well, I hope you found the video useful. You now know how to convert a Word document into a PDF. If you can like the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that'd be fantastic. Happy converting Word documents to PDFs.